My dear gentle watchers, as you know, I disappeared for 9 months. I haven't produced YouTube video for straight 9 months. A lot happened in my personal life, and it's almost broke me. Now, I'm coming back because I owe an apology to my audience and letting you know what's going on and give you the answers regarding am I still going to continue producing new content or not, and what will happen to my coaching program and as well as my mental health. A big disclaimer upfront. This video is rated R. If you're under age of 18, you should stop this video right away. If you're above age of 18, you're watching the rest of content at your own risk, because whatever happens in this video stays in this video. But regardless, you're under 18, above 18, you should still like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and let me know, did you dare to watch towards the end? Hey guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee, a direct product featured in Forbes. I've helped thousands of people land a dream PM job offer in FAANG companies, a unicorn startup, and continue to get promoted as a product leader. In this channel, we talk about tech trends and free product management training. Like and subscribe, check out new video every Tuesday. A quick recap regarding what happened in the last 9 months and what suddenly changed. I have been on YouTube for almost 10 years. If you look back to my first YouTube video, it was in 2016. I look way younger at the time. I also became one of the biggest influencers in the place of product management and AI product management. I also have 2 signature programs. One is AI product management bootcamp. The other one is PM accelerator job hunting program. But I completely stopped producing new content since August 2028. The 3 key things actually happened dramatically within my personal life and business. First of all, in August 2025, all of a sudden, my head mission of my coaching business disappeared. Literally disappeared. She left me a message on Thursday, 10 p.m. saying that her husband is going to have a very serious surgery. She needs to leave right away. And then literally she disappeared the next day. And later on, we found out indeed her husband does have really serious surgery. She really needs to take care of her husband for months to come. So I have deep empathy for that and deep respect for her to respect her family. However, that led to a spiral downhill of my business. I had to step into the head mission role right away, which means I need to interview new students to see if I qualify for our coaching program and AI product management bootcamp. At the same time, I also need to hire aggressively, quickly, and train the new hire right away so that I can get back to my YouTube production as well as my coaching time, which actually the true thing make me more happy. However, the transition process took about 9 months to hire someone, transition, and restructure my team. It also took a toll to my family relationship because at the time, my daughter is only a year and a half and my son is over 3 years old, and the entire family dynamic changed because I have to work like 12 hours per day and being very busy. It deeply impacted my relationship with my husband and how I spend time with my kids as well. And I ended up double my team by hiring the great talent to my team and restructure the entire team. It took me 9 months, and guess what? Our students also almost doubles after the restructuring. On the bright side, I actually discovered the true secret why people become product manager and nobody talked about. It would literally blew my mind. I wish someone had told me earlier. And there's a lot of superficial reason people want to become product manager. For example, people want to make over $800,000 per year, and people also want to join FAANG companies, feel glorified. They want to buy a big, amazing house. Those are good reasons, but kind of superficial. But people never talk about how becoming a product manager actually can impact their life. This is what nobody told you before. Once you become an outstanding product manager, you're able to get a boyfriend like this. Yeah. I wish someone had told me the truth about becoming a PM. By the way, this is a real boyfriend, real human, not an AI. He is the boyfriend of one of our alumni inside of our Product Manager Accelerator alumni community. By the way, the community already have 1,500 students I've taught in the past. One of those lucky person's boyfriend is this guy. Yeah, you're right. You're gonna work really hard towards your career. That's a true reason. Of course, if a guy, you're gonna get a really good looking girlfriend. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. I'm gonna give you examples of the girlfriend you'll be getting once you become a product manager. So let me ask you this serious professional question. What is the true reason you want to become product manager? Please like this video and comment in the description. I'd learn about your true answer as well. The second thing happened to us is that in the last 9 months, I focused on enhancing the quality of our coaching program, as well as turning our company into an AI company. In the past 9 months, we launched an AI interviewer product called Practically. If you follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn, you should already see all different kind of social posts we have generated about Practically. So it is an AI interviewer product for you to do mock interview, specialized in product management with Dr. Nancy Lee AI, so you can get access to me 24/7. On top of that, this product has been used by our student inside Product Manager Accelerator for more than 6 months and has been tested out. We'll continuously improve the product, and now we're opening this product up for public to use as well. So we're truly turning ourselves into an AI company. If you want to sign up for this AI interviewer app right now, make sure to find the link in the description of the video and start your sign up process. I also spent the past 9 months focused on enhancing the quality of AI product management bootcamp. We're already on cohort 8 right now. Every year I only have 4 cohorts. Now we're on cohort 8. It's like crazy. And guess what? The quality of the product we launch is higher and better than every single cohort we had in the past. For example, this cohort will launch 10 amazing products, including those like amazing game that can turn any kind of human picture of me into avatar. It's a pure competitor of Roblox, as well as AI style pilot. This is a perfect dream ad for all the women out there was able to do the styling outfit, giving you recommendation to buy your most favorite designer outfit at a discount. You also have the AI Traveler app for solo traveler, especially dedicated for Japan. You should definitely check it out. And those products are launched through AI Product Management Bootcamp with only 8 weeks. Our students as AI Product Manager are leading a team of software engineers, developers, and data scientists to develop this real-life AI product, which end up to be, many of them already land AI PM job offer, and some of them were invited to interview at OpenAI, and some of them decide to continue their startup journey and currently applying for Y Combinator as well. I also started to enhance our coaching team as well. For example, I hired AI product manager from Microsoft to teach our student web coding interviews and as well as dedicated AI product manager and mock interviews. All our coaching teams are currently coming from Amazon, Microsoft, Apple as a senior PM, as well as other senior PM in top tech companies or AI companies as well. We also launched AI Edge Bootcamp, which teach product manager how to use AI to do product management work 10 times faster and more efficiently. Yeah, there's a lot going on in the past 9 months. I'm actually very proud of what our student has accomplished. If you want to learn more about what is AI product management and how to qualify for our program, make sure to check out our free AI product management workshop to get started and book a call with our head missions to see if you qualify for our program, because we only take 30 students into each cohort. Number 3, I learned how to fall in love with myself again. It's actually very sad. In the past 4 years, I gradually no longer lose passion, do not love myself anymore. It's literally very depressed and very sad because I had 2 kids in the past 4 years and a lot changed in my life. My body changed. I gained lots of weight and I have no time for shopping, no time for facial, no time doing my hair, no time working out, no time to sleep at all, and didn't spend enough time with my husband for date nights. Even our relationship started to suffer as well. And my whole life in the past 4 years is all around my kids. Provide the best availability anytime they need something. I also breastfed both of my children for more than a year. I just want to be the best mom I ever could be, but it's very draining. I felt I lost interest in many things in my life. I didn't have time for shopping, which I love so much. I love shopping so much. I didn't have time for it for 4 years. Even if I went shopping, sometimes I just gain weight, my body shape change. My favorite brand like Reese, many dresses in Reese doesn't fit me anymore. It's like, yeah, I lost who I am. I don't like myself anymore. It's very sad. And I also had the pregnancy delivery trauma. It's crazy. So I actually lost a gallon of blood when I delivered my second baby and my daughter. It's so traumatic. I don't want to repeat, but it was a nightmare. It was very difficult delivery. I lost a gallon of blood. It's very dangerous, big trauma. And I wish someone had told me parenting is this hard. I knew it was hard, didn't know it was this hard. I wish my parents could be around more often so I get extra hands instead of hiring lots of nannies, which I don't really 100% trust. I wish those Instagram models was able to tell the truth behind the most glorified, best looking, beautiful parenting or baby pictures regarding the truth of being a parent. They all talk about 3-day potty train. Yeah, I'm potty training my little toddler right now. It's not 3 days, it took me 3 months. Even like today, my daughter still had an accident 3 months later. And it's like repetitive accident. But nobody talks about. I was just cleaning up her poops all over the place. Sometimes she pooped on me. It's just very stressful. Nobody talks about it. Everything you see is people have the best life they can ever live. They have no stress at all. And I wasn't able to work out for 4 years. And I started questioning what's wrong with me, how I wasn't able to balance everything. I was just really able to keep my head above the water. It's just very stressful. But lately, I started to fall in love with myself again. Because I changed my mindset. Let's focus on myself instead of focusing on other people. I try my best to be the best mom ever. I also try to dedicate some time only for myself. I started going for shopping again at my favorite store called Reese. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Reese, but I highly recommend all the women check out the brand called Reese. Best one. And I started to work out once per month. Then I gradually make it every other week. Now I'm working out once per week. And even if when I work out, I'm holding those empty bar, doing working out, everyone else doing Olympic weightlifting, I look stupid, but I'm happy I was there. I also find the time to watch my Dirty Secret TV show and convince my husband to watch it with me together, such as Emily in Paris,
And you never know what's gonna happen next.
Emily in Rome, Bridgerton. All those are designed for women. I highly recommend all the women watch those shows, by the way. That's fashion and love just designed for women. So I spent 9 months to fall in love with myself again, to really start finding time to do things I love to do, such as creating YouTube content, which I really enjoy doing. Now, I love myself again. Finally, now let's talk about the bright side. Earlier in the video, I talked about when people trying to become a product manager, you're going to discover what kind of girlfriend you're able to find. I have to tell you the truth. Opportunity is unlimited. Your imagination and the confidence is your limitation. I'm also very lucky to hire the best team as well as the best looking team working for me. It's true. And I even was able to hire a director of product who had 12 years experience working for me full time to help me grow the product management team and growing the coaching program, growing the entire program together. So if you want to imagine what kind of girlfriend you'll be getting after you become product manager, the first step is to become a product manager first, and then fight for the opportunities you truly deserve, both professionally and personally, as well as high income level. So if you're preparing for upcoming product management interview, regardless you're looking for fan PM, senior PM, or entry-level PM, the most important thing for you to do right now is download the 50 interview questions database to prepare the upcoming interviews, so that you can walk into an interview with ease, and whatever interviewing questions you get, you already prepared ahead of time. This is going to increase your interview success rate significantly. I also noticed that the job market in 2026 has shifted dramatically. A lot of old way to land a PM job no longer work in today's competitive job market. So therefore, I made a commitment to myself. In the coming months and weeks and years to come, I'm going to continue to produce weekly YouTube videos to teach all of you guys how to succeed in today's competitive job market in both product management and AI product management domain. Therefore, make sure to check out the playlist on how to prepare for upcoming product management interviews right here. If you find today's video very inspiring, interesting, or sexy, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm also going to link all the resources in the description of the video as well as the Mr. International's Instagram link. This is Dr. Nancy Lee from PM Accelerator. I will see you in my next video right here.